I will read a surah. In this surah, Allah has given four conditions for people to go to paradise. Those who can fulfill these four conditions will be able to go to paradise. So let's get started the surah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wal 'asr. Innal insana lafi khusr. إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. By time, in that mankind is in loss. For except those who have believed and done righteous deeds and advised each other to truth and advised each other to patience.